Well, actually, it was kind of funny. When I contacted Brad, it wasn't for this. I was looking online for people that would clean logs, interior logs, because I was getting to the point where I didn't think I should be climbing big ladders. So anyway, that's what I was looking for. And then I saw Brad's website, and it caught my eye. And then I started reading it, and I read every single thing on there. I looked at every picture, and I went, oh, I totally forgot about interior logs. Totally forgot. And then I went on, thought about it more, and I went, this house is over 50 years old. I bought it in 87. And there's never been any big project on the outside of the house to preserve it. I mean, I had hired people or done it myself where I just resealed the logs, but nothing ever been done to the chinking or anything big. And I thought, I think it's time to really take care of this house, and I had some money saved. So after looking at all those pictures, I called up, and of course Brad was lovely, very personable, and he came down and looked at it and told me what he thought should be done, and so that's what we did. And then his crew came, and they were wonderful. They just were the greatest people. There were two crews, 4 and 4, and one did all the refinishing and then the restaining, and the other one did the chinking. And they were all very personal, very much fun, but very professional too. So that's how I did it. I decided to invest some money in the house to keep it, preserve it. I don't know, you could just tell they were professional. They knew what they were doing, in other words. And Rose was the leader of that group, and she was wonderful too. They were very precise about explaining what they were going to do. And then I'd already met Brad, and I knew he seemed like he really had a handle on that business. I didn't have any doubts or anything that they were going to take good care of this house. Yeah, he gave me 2 choices, and I kind of forgot what he called the first one, but the second one was media blasting, was more in depth. But I chose to do that one because I wanted it, whether I lived here or not, I wanted it to be here a long time. And so that's what we chose. And that was a big deal, you know. And then choosing the color, I thought I wanted a lighter color than what I had. But then when it came time to choosing one, I wound up picking one a little darker, but I love it. But I wanted that golden, a little bit of that golden feel, not so much a darker thing. And I liked that shininess because I felt like it reflected what light we did get here, because I'm in all the trees here, so it's shady. Yeah, so I felt like it looked cheerier, lighter. It made me feel really good, and it made me feel like I did the right thing for spending that money and hiring somebody with a good reputation. Yeah, I was very happy. If I met anyone who wanted to refinish a log cabin, I would highly recommend Pencil Log Pros. You just know when you know. You know, I mean, even talking to him on the phone the first time, I mean, patience he had, because I had a lot of questions, and I did all along. And sometimes I think I drove some of the crews nuts asking all these questions, but they were very patient too. Yeah, they never hurried me, or they were good to me. Yeah. But Brad was the same way. All the time in the world, you can talk, Marcia. And I appreciate that.